Today, I'm going to show you 10 simple ways to save $500 fast, even if you feel broke right now. And no, you don't need a second job, you don't need to stop having fun, and you definitely don't need to become extremely cheap. The truth is, most people lose hundreds of dollars every month on small things they barely notice. Coffee, food delivery, subscriptions, impulse shopping. And the crazy part? A few small changes can save you way more money than you think. Some of the tips in this video might seem simple, but together, they can completely change your finances. So if you want to keep more money in your pocket and stop wasting cash without realizing it, let's get started. 1. Stop buying coffee every day. Let's be honest. Buying coffee every single day adds up fast. If you spend around $6 a day, that's over $40 a week and almost $200 a month. Now imagine saving that money instead. You don't have to quit coffee completely. Just make it at home for a week or two. It's one of the easiest ways to start saving money immediately. 2. Use the 24-hour rule. This is one of the best tricks for avoiding impulse shopping. Before buying anything that isn't essential, wait 24 hours. That's it. Most of the time, you'll realize you didn't actually need it. A lot of people waste money because they buy things emotionally or out of boredom. Giving yourself one day to think can save you hundreds of dollars every month. 3. Eat at home more often. Food delivery is convenient, but it's expensive. One meal can easily cost $20 after delivery fees and tips. Now multiply that by several times a week. Cooking at home even a few extra days can save a huge amount of money. And no, you don't need to cook fancy meals. Simple food still saves money. Convenience is expensive. Remember that. 4. Cancel unused subscriptions. Most people are paying for subscriptions they barely even use. Streaming services, apps, gym memberships, gaming subscriptions. Take a few minutes and check your bank account. You might be shocked by how many small charges are hitting your account every month. Canceling just a few subscriptions could save you $50 to $100 monthly without changing your lifestyle much at all. 5. Sell things you don't use. A lot of people are sitting on extra money without realizing it. Old clothes, shoes, electronics, furniture, video games. Instead of letting those things collect dust, sell them online. You'd be surprised how fast the money adds up. Some people make hundreds of dollars just by cleaning their room or garage, and at the same time, your space becomes cleaner too. 6. Try a no-spend weekend. Here's a challenge. Go one full weekend without spending money. No shopping, no takeout, no random online orders. Instead, stay home, cook your own meals, watch movies, go outside, or spend time with friends and family. This challenge helps you realize how often you spend money without thinking. Sometimes we don't spend because we need something. We spend because we're bored. 7. Use cash instead of cards. Swiping a card feels too easy. You don't really feel the money leaving your account. But cash feels different. When you physically hand over money, you naturally become more careful with spending. Try taking out a fixed amount of cash for the week and use only that. It can seriously help reduce unnecessary purchases. 8. Never grocery shop while hungry. This sounds simple, but it works. When you shop hungry, everything looks good. You end up buying snacks, desserts, and random things you never planned to get. Before going grocery shopping, eat something first and make a shopping list. A list keeps you focused and helps avoid wasting money on unnecessary items. 9. Automatically save small amounts. A lot of people think saving only matters when it's a big amount. That's not true. Even saving small amounts consistently works. You can use automatic savings apps or simply transfer a few dollars into savings every day. $5 here, $10 there. Over time, it adds up faster than you think. The key is consistency. 10. Set a clear goal. Saving money becomes easier when you know why you're saving. Maybe you want an emergency fund, a vacation, a car, to pay off debt, or just more financial freedom. When your goal is clear, you become more motivated to stop wasting money. And once you save your first $500, you'll realize saving money is actually possible. So here's the challenge. Pick at least 3 tips from this video and try them for the next 7 days. Not next month, not someday. Start today. Because saving money isn't about being rich. It's about controlling where your money goes. And trust me, once you save your first $500, your mindset starts changing completely. Now think about this. If you keep wasting small amounts of money every single day for the next 5 years, how much money would you actually lose?